What is my favorite way to make money during a quarantine? What is it? Well, if you know who I am, you know what I do here on this channel. I do a lot of different things to make money, not only during quarantine, but anytime throughout the year. I'm a reseller. I do stuff for drop shipping. I do marketing, social media marketing, local SEO work. I do YouTube, affiliate marketing. I do courses, online coaching. The list goes on and on. But I have all these different things that I do to make money online. What is my personal favorite way to make money during a quarantine? Well, it's actually pretty simple. That's doing affiliate marketing on YouTube. But you're probably wondering, what is affiliate marketing on YouTube, right? Or I've heard of it, but how does it work? Well, let me explain. The first thing that you need to do, you need to smash that like button because it just helps out the video. The next thing, you need to understand what is affiliate marketing on YouTube, because honestly, this is my favorite way. I'm teaching a lot of people exactly how to do this exact same thing. If you want to join some of these people and learn how to do affiliate marketing through YouTube, I'll put a link down in the description box below to a free Facebook group that you can join where I show you how to do affiliate marketing through YouTube. So, what is it? Let's take this bat, for example. You're probably wondering, why am I holding a baseball bat? Am I worried about the quarantine? No, I'm not worried about the quarantine. What I'm worried about is, who could I sell this bat to, right? So here's what you do on YouTube in order to make money during a quarantine. You create a simple video, and I'm going to show you and I'm explaining this to you on the whiteboard as well as on the computer in just a second. So make sure you watch this entire video. But let's say I absolutely love baseball. I'm not good at baseball. I like it. It's fun. But let's say I just absolutely love baseball. So I want to teach people how to have the best swing in baseball, right? Well, how do I do that? Well, I create a YouTube video and show them exactly how you do it. Where you should keep your elbows, where you should keep your eyes, your forearms, how tight you should be holding this bat. Everything. Should the tip of the bat be down, should be up, should be forward. You got to teach people how to do this because some people just don't know. And so I'd create a video on that. And I would then tell that person that's watching exactly how to have the best swing in baseball. At the end of the video, what I would do is I'd recommend either this bat, I'd recommend gloves, I'd recommend a certain course that's going to teach them how to have the best swing ever, maybe a book, maybe I do a coaching call with them, something. Because anything you can do to sell them on either the bat, the gloves, the course, the coaching can make you money. Alright, so before I explain exactly how it works, using the whiteboard right here, need to go and accept this offer for some items I'm selling on eBay. And there we go. Okay, so just made some money there. So that's another great way to make money, is to sell stuff on eBay. That's just one of the things that I do. Let's go up here to this whiteboard, right? So let me explain it, right? So let's see. Hopefully you can see it pretty well. So this is how it works. This is your video here. And on YouTube, and what I personally like and why I think this is the best online business, there you go, item sold, cool. So why I think this is the best online business is because, okay, you can automate this entire thing. You can get traffic from YouTube 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. For example, how to swing a bat, right? Best bats for Little League. How to get power on every swing, or improve your baseball swing fast. All those are very good keywords you could go after. Now, here's the way you make money, and this is why this is the best way to make money during a quarantine, is you create the video and you make it entertaining and educational. You entertain and educate. By doing that, what happens is people will come back to your videos, they will watch them, they will love what they see, they will hopefully read the description box and possibly click the links that you have down below. For example, I just mentioned that if you want to join my free private Facebook group where we talk about affiliate marketing through YouTube, go and click the link down in the description box below. That's all you have to do in your video, is just say, hey, I have some links down there, go check them out. Go click a link, whatever, right? Go buy this bat. And you give links for added viewer value. And by doing this, you give them the best product to buy, or you give them a more affordable option. Give them alternatives. And people love this. This is added value. They don't want to be sold on the most expensive bat that you can possibly find on Amazon. They want to be sold on the best bat for them. And for some people, it's not always going to be the same bat. Now, somebody clicks that link. They go to Amazon, or maybe they go to ClickBank, or go somewhere else to buy something that you're promoting. If they go and buy it, you get paid a small commission. You get paid a small affiliate fee. So now that you see exactly how it works, let me jump into the computer and I'm going to show you right now like 3 or 4 different examples of people that are doing this exact same thing. And it doesn't just have to be on baseball. It could be on gardening. It could be on mountain climbing. It could be on fitness. It could be on cooking. It could be on organization or self-isolation. It could be on just about anything in this entire world. And most people don't understand that YouTube is a huge platform. There's room for everybody. It doesn't matter if your hobby, your passion in life is smoking cigarettes or making money online or organizing your kitchen or meal prep. It doesn't matter what your passion and hobbies are in life. There is room for you on this platform. So let me show you. So look at this right here. This is how to draw a sports car, right? Another simple idea. Maybe you love to draw. Awesome. I'm not a good drawer. You can probably see from my notes I can barely write, so obviously I can't draw. But the cool thing about this is anybody can make a video on how to draw a sports car and promote a product such as this one, how to draw cars fast and easy. You promote this course right here that's on ClickBank. I think it costs $49. Okay, so it costs $49 to buy this, and you would make, I think it's like $35 for every single sale, just because you promoted it. So if this is something that you think you can do, go and do it. Take a camera, take your phone, and have either you record or have somebody else record. You can use a GoPro, you can use a webcam, you can use anything you want to, and start to draw sports cars. Start to draw dinosaurs. Look at this. How to draw a house, right? How to draw a house, step by step. Look at that one. I'd love to draw that. How to draw a dinosaur, okay? How to draw a dinosaur. Pretty cool, right? That one's not as difficult as like these, but not bad. How to draw a monkey. There we go. How to draw a monkey. Okay, there's how you draw a monkey. Pretty simple. Now, that's all you gotta do. Let's say you want to know how to swing a bat correctly, and that's what you know. You're good at baseball, right? Cool. So you can teach people how to swing a bat correctly. Well, how do you do it? I don't know. I'm not really good at baseball, but I do know there are ways to do it properly. And you can either record your video here, and inside your video, down in the description box, which you can see right here, okay, how to grip a baseball bat for maximum bat speed and power, they have a link right here in the first sentence. So does this person, has a link in the first sentence of their description box. Now, what if inside that description box, you put a link to this one? This is a course, it's called Elite Swing Mechanics. You get a book and instructional videos, costs $49.99. I think on this one, you get paid about $37 for every single sale. One sale, $37. That's good money. Let's say you don't know anything about that and you want to teach people how to quickly potty train a toddler. Let's say you have a toddler in the house and you have multiple kids. You understand potty training. You're really good at it. So what do? You teach other people how to do it. Now, probably thinking, okay, great, but I don't want to go and compete against all these big time people. They got a lot of subscribers. Well, let me show you this. Winifred Harry created this video, how I potty trained a toddler step by step. This person has 5,320 subscribers on their channel. This video that they did 7 months ago has 278,000 views. What if, instead of just talking about potty training inside the description box, what if they put a link to this exact same little toilet and sold it on Amazon? That could have been money that they just made. Or they give you a course over on ClickBank. Again, ClickBank is free to join. You go and get this course on ClickBank. This course right here, Let's see how much it is. I have no idea. Don't know. Somewhere over here. Okay. We can see. Let's click on this and see how much it costs. Costs $9.97. You'd probably make about $6 to $7 off this one course. Not a lot of money, but potty training is not gonna pay you a lot. Okay, because sometimes people just don't want to pay $100 for a course on potty training when they could buy a book that's going to teach them the exact same thing. That costs 20 or 30 bucks. So $10 price point's pretty good. Look at this one. How to be more organized at home. Let's say you are just always tripping over stuff. There's clutter everywhere. What can you do? Learn how to be more organized at your home. And so one thing you can do right here, you can promote a course. You can also promote the different organizing racks, these little drawers down here underneath the bed. There's so many things you can promote here and sell. But what you need to do, like I showed you over on the whiteboard, is you have to get people to come into your videos. And the best way to do that is to just create more videos on topics and search terms that people are actually searching for. So organized at home is not going to be a search term. Okay? People don't want to type in organized at home. It's just not going to happen. How to stay organized with kids, right? That could be something that people really want to know. How to stay organized with kids. How do you do it? Well, there's YouTube videos to teach you the exact steps that you need to take. Now, I will also put a link down in the description box below. There's a tool out there. It's called TubeBuddy. You can see it right here. You can see it kind of working. It gives you a score. Tells you what a score is. So the higher the score, so this is 64 out of 100, which means it's very good. You want to get it at least in the yellow or higher. Because what that means is you could easily rank for this keyword, which means if you rank, it means there's more views that you're potentially going to get on your video. Okay? So that's something I highly recommend. But that's just the next thing you need to do. You got to understand, this is my favorite way to make money during a quarantine because of a bunch of reasons, which I'm going to give you in just a second. So why is this my favorite way to make money during a quarantine? Why is it? Well, the number one reason why this is my favorite way to make money during a quarantine is because it doesn't cost money to make money on YouTube. It just doesn't. YouTube's a free platform. You don't need to pay anything. Okay? Also, joining ClickBank or some of these other affiliate networks is free. It doesn't cost you any money to join any of these affiliate networks. So because of that, you can do affiliate marketing on YouTube absolutely free. Again, go and click that link down in the description box below. Go and join my free private Facebook group where we talk about doing affiliate marketing through YouTube. The next reason why this is my favorite way to make money during a quarantine is because it doesn't matter where you are in this entire world. You can make money online using the power of YouTube, using affiliate marketing, and you can make money. Doesn't matter if you're in Africa, doesn't matter if you're in Australia, Russia, Mexico, Canada, United States. It doesn't matter where you're at in this entire world. You can make money. YouTube is not just an English, language, type videos. It's not. People make videos in Spanish, in French, in Italian, in Russian, in German. Okay? They make them in any language. So it doesn't matter where you are. There's money to be made for you on YouTube. Third reason why this is one of my favorite ways to make money during a quarantine is because you can make money on any topic. For example, and I'm going to put a link down in the description box below so you can go and join this free training that I did where I show you how to make $500 per month by creating one single YouTube video. So if you haven't seen that training, again, I'll put a link down in the description box below so you can go and check it out. But in that training, I talk about how it doesn't matter what it is you want to create videos on, there's money to be made. And I show you what I mean. Exactly like I did just a second ago on the computer, where I showed you about how to draw a car, how to draw a dinosaur, how to swing a bat, organizing your home, or potty training. The niche, the topic, the category that you pick doesn't matter. There's money to be made. So again, if you have a passion in life, if you have a hobby, there's money to be made on YouTube. And the fourth reason why this is one of my favorite ways to make money during a quarantine or else anywhere, in the entire year is because the upside is huge. There are videos that I've created that have paid me less than $100. And these are long videos. These are videos that have taken me, hours to create, and they paid me, again, less than $100 total in ads and as well as affiliate income. But that's not the issue. That's not the problem. Okay, that's just what I know happens. So there's videos, like I said, that pay me less than $100. There are other videos that I've done, especially lately, and it doesn't matter if it's on this channel or it's on one of my other channels. I have over 30 YouTube channels that all make money. Some videos will pay me hundreds of dollars every single time I upload, simply because I'm uploading the right type of video, I'm promoting the right types of products, and people are liking those videos, they're loving the products, they're buying the stuff that I recommend. But this only happens if you do the first thing, and that's upload a video. So, if you're stuck at home, stuck in the office, wherever, you are quarantined, you can't make money because maybe you're just not working, or your hours have been cut in half, and you need to supplement your income in some way. What can you do? Well, like I just showed you, like I just talked about, grab your phone, grab a webcam, grab a computer, grab any type of camera that you can that will record, and start recording a YouTube video. The video doesn't have to be edited, it can be completely raw. Just put up the content, put up the information, and people will eventually watch it, potentially buy. Again, you can make some money. Now, if you guys have questions on any of this stuff, let me know. I'm here to help you out any way that I can. All you gotta do, ask your questions down in the comment section below. But if you enjoyed today's video and you learned something, like always, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next one.